So
Take one.
It's just the right size. With over 750 completed projects, Videoworks in Italy is a world leader in the design, installation and maintenance of IT and audiovisual systems on superyachts. And this year, the company celebrates its 25th anniversary. Of course, the yachts and the technology installed on them have changed dramatically over the past quarter century. And so we've come to the Videoworks headquarters here in Ancona on Italy's Adriatic coast to find out a little bit more about the onboard tech, but also about how the company has grown beyond Italy's borders to penetrate the all-important Northern European market.
These are our offices for the purchase, for the marketing, the sales part. We have here 15 rack creation position where our colleagues create the racks, connect, and to do the activities according to the drawing schemes that we have produced by the technical department.
Perhaps the biggest single development in recent years is the high level of onboard connectivity that owners expect on their yachts these days. Thanks to the emergence of low Earth orbit satellite services such as Starlink and OneWeb, owners now enjoy always-on, high-speed internet on a par with a well-equipped office on board their yachts.
So with the advent of new low Earth orbit satellites, we can reduce most of the hardware. We expect to be able to do this in the next years with the evolution, new satellites put in orbit, etc. Most of the hardware we're going to be able to remove is the power-hungry storage and servers. Like in this case, we could remove most of the hard drives, which need to be always on, most of the servers which need to be always on, and also the power-hungry networking to achieve those same speeds. This because everything cannot be streamed with a stable network connection, even in the middle of the ocean.
And just consider that with our Dutch colleagues, last year we had 2 big factory acceptance tests for the 200 meters project, one in Spain and one in Amsterdam. Here we had 28 racks, everything connected.
Sustainability and artificial intelligence are key areas of research for the yachting industry right now. And Videoworks is diving deep into the potential of AI to improve quality of life on board while saving significant amounts of energy.
We can expect to further reduce power consumption, maybe with an intelligent use of air conditioning, heating, also lighting, maybe even like all the entertainment equipment could be just shut off for those particular cabins that will require reorganization of maybe of the racks. But in that way, we could, if there are few guests on board, we could reduce the power consumptions heavily and just turn them on when required.
This is Videoworks, is our system company with more than 25 people. They are focused on software developing. They create our custom interface, our custom software, and all the high-level network engineering and network configuration.
It's notoriously difficult for an Italian contractor like Videoworks to break into the Northern European market. And the same is true, incidentally, for Dutch or German suppliers in Italy. Nevertheless, in 2016, Videoworks made the inspired and brave decision to open a Dutch company in Amsterdam.
Our decision was that you cannot be high quality if you are not brave enough to face and to approach the North European markets.
So got Schiphol, Istanbul, Ancona, Milan, Viareggio.
Yeah. And the 3 international companies we have is the biggest is the Dutch company, Videoworks Europe BV, is based in Schiphol. The second is the Videoworks of Americas that is based in Fort Lauderdale. And the last one, the newest one, is based in Istanbul, in Tuzla, where we follow the Turkish market from there.
So we've just arrived in the Netherlands. where, as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day, whereas in Italy it was pouring with rain when we left. Who would have thought? And we're here because Videoworks Europe, which is the Dutch branch of the Videoworks group, has a number of new build projects on the go here, including a full custom 67-meter super yacht at Yachts in Os in the south of the country. And that's where we're heading next. Growing a national business into an international enterprise isn't something that happens overnight. It means taking into account different cultures and mentalities, different management styles and work practices. It also involves a degree of creativity and flexibility, not to mention some upfront honesty and straight talking, which the Dutch happen to be pretty good at.
As you might know, the Dutch are very direct. We say what we think. We are classed sometimes as rude, which in fact we are not, because I truly believe that in fact we are also nice people. But we are completely different. We have different ways of working. We have different methods. We have different cultures. This is the challenge we face every day. And the way we do that is, first of all, by communication, and we take the best out of both worlds. Clients like it, to be honest. I think the mixture of the creativity, the ambition that we have into their projects is huge. It's not only a challenge, but it's a great fun factor. Italians, as you know, are driven by passion. Passion is a huge value in our company, and I'm very proud actually that I can work with all these passionate people.
The Dutch, of course, are very well organized, very stable on their path. Everything, they take their time to do the engineering, to do, let's say, all the good works. And when everything comes on board, it's decided. And the fact that the Italian way it's more flexible helps.
We have huge projects on hand, and we are working very closely with our system engineers in Italy. If you look at our split in work, we have system engineers. In Holland we call them project managers, but we really like to focus on the technical part of the job. Finding people and treating them well creates a spin-off. So when you have one on board, in Holland we have a phrase, when one duck is over the bridge, then the rest will follow. It happens here, because they talk to each other. They say, hey, I'm working for a nice company now.
For this particular custom yacht, we designed the system together with the owner's team and with the yard. Tested it completely in Italy in our workshops, where we also invited the owner's team to test the system, to tweak the design. I think what owners want on board of their yachts is a sleek, easy to use user interface where they can easily play with their audio video systems, but also have fast connectivity on board so they can stream whatever they want, when they want, have meetings on board with their team around the world.
The challenge for us on this project was building fast, which having the racks being pre-built in Italy helped us a lot, because we only got like around 7 months of installation time to do all this.
Over the past 25 years, Videoworks has grown from being a startup tech company in Italy serving the local yachting industry in Ancona to working with some of the top Northern European shipyards, including Yachts. The question is, where does the brand go from here?
The user of these yachts is changing. The way they use, we have to look more at the environment, we have to be sustainable, but they will always be built. And for us, it's very important to get these young brains on board, these young minds, these ambitious people on board, to continue to develop these technologies into the future. We want to grow, we want to provide a future for our people. We want to deliver high quality systems and remain close to shipyards and clients to advise them and work with them on these huge and challenging projects. Technology is changing. We are a technology-driven company. We have to maintain focus on this technology and to see, not to see what's there now, but what will be there in 5 years.